You want to make AI videos that look like Pixar or Netflix, but your wallet says, bro, we're on noodles this month? Relax. Today, Smart Idiot's gonna show you for AI video generator tools that are 100% free, zero paywall, and no credit limits. Seriously, no sneaky upgrade to pro pop-ups. From anime to cinematic, from realistic humans to surreal fantasy, these tools turn imagination into motion. And tool number 4? Let's just say it's chef's kiss, the kind that makes you whisper, "How is this free?" Watch till the end. I'll unlock something small, quick, and unbelievably useful. How to use ChatGapt plus an AI Explorer to craft killer prompts that make your videos look like Hollywood trailers. Alright, buckle up. Let's make unlimited magic for free. Tool number 1, Grok AI, Image First Control, One-Click Animate. First up, Grok AI. Yes, Grok AI. Open your browser. Type Grok AI into Google. Click the first result. You will need to log in with your X, also known as Twitter. Once you are in, click on Imagine. Now paste your prompt, a glossy illustration of a soft cream llama with a plush, velvety coat at a nail salon, lounging in a modern chrome chair with one hoof soaking in a frothy foot bath, the other hoof being adorned with bold red polish by a focused nail artist, illuminated by warm, vibrant neon salon lighting with a soft pink and purple glow. Hit Generate. Grok produces a grid of high-quality images. Here is the best part. Tap the small play icon on any image, and Grok turns that still into a video. Unlimited generations, totally free, full creative control. And unlike tools that go straight from text to video and make you redo everything if you do not like the result, Grok lets you audition the image first, then animate only the winners. Simple, fast, smart. Let us try a few. First prompt, super playful. A curious orange cat swimming smoothly through a clear turquoise ocean, soft sunlight. Ripples on fur, whimsical mood, 24 FPS, cinematic depth. Generate, look at that, clean motion, lovely highlights. Next, let us push difficulty. Lions are hard, complex texture, high contrast. New prompt, a regal lion walking through golden savanna grass at sunset, wind-lifting mane, lens flares, slow dolly, filmic grain. Generate, and wow. Grok handles it like a champ. Smooth motion, clean detail, strong silhouette. This is already production-worthy for short content, but we have more. Tool number 2, Slop Club, Parallel Renders, Stylish Camera Moves. Trust me, this one is seriously impressive. Go to Google, type Slop Club, click the first result. You will land on a community feed full of videos from other users. Hit Sign In with Google, then click Create Slop, choose Video. Grab a fresh prompt. Camera at low cat eye level slowly dolly pans from the sizzling skillet to baby cat's eager expression. Steam rises softly from the pan as mama flips a pancake midair in slow motion. Light drifts across the scene, emphasizing the miniature textures of fur and wooden furniture. The soundscape is cozy, soft sizzling, tiny kitchen ambience, and faint bird sounds outside. Generate. Your request is queued, and in a moment, your video appears in your profile and the output quality. Wow, amazing! So details, cinematic camera moves. Stylish grading. Plus, Slop Club lets you run multiple generations in parallel, so if your prompts are ready, you can keep producing without waiting. Let us try a heroic example. Prompt, a battle-worn warrior sprinting through rain at night, cape snapping, neon reflections on wet cobblestones, handheld tracking, 35mm, moody score. Energy, generate. Flip to profile. There it is. The motion feels urgent, the lighting is alive, and the atmosphere sells the story. Cue 2 more with small variations. Prompt 2, same scene but in slow motion, more rain, closer framings, shallow depth, 85mm portrait feel. Prompt 3, same warrior, dawn breaking through clouds, steam rising, warm light cuts through blue rain haze. Slop Club eats these for breakfast, unlimited runs, strong style variety. You will be surprised how often one try is already good enough to post. Tool number 3, Qwen AI, no watermark speed for reels and shorts. Simple, clean, completely free. Google Qwen AI, click the first link, sign up with your Gmail. Inside the dashboard, click More, then choose Video Generation. Paste your prompt, female cats dancing hip-hop in Korean streetwear cat tailored. Realistic fur whiskers. Baggy pants, sneakers, chains. Urban street graffiti walls, neon lights. High energy vibe. Cinematic depth of field. Ultra realistic neon lighting. Hit generate. Wait a moment, done. No watermark, no credits, no nonsense. Qwen AI is perfect if you are just starting out or if you want to quickly produce usable clips for shorts and reels. Let's do a cozy scene. Prompt: soft documentary shot of a barista pouring latte art in a sunlit cafe. Dust motes in air, gentle rack focus, natural color, light ambient motion. Generate. Result arrives. Smooth visuals, clean motion, very usable for lifestyle content. One more for variety. Prompt: anime-inspired city street at dusk. Neon signage, light drizzle, umbrellas, subtle parallax, reflective puddles, gentle crowd flow. Generate. You get that dreamy, animated feel that pairs nicely with narration or subtitles. Qwen is low friction, which means you will actually use it often. Tool number 4. Meta AI, text and image to video, polished variations. Fourth tool, and the one that changes the game for many of you. Meta AI, I know what you are thinking. You have seen Meta AI, but the new video features are seriously upgraded. You can create videos directly from text, upload an image and animate it, and pair images with custom prompts. Flexible, fast, free. Log into Meta, click the plus icon, select Create, choose Video. You can upload an image or start from text. Let us start with an image. I will upload a portrait and give a minimal prompt, moving forward. Generate. In seconds, Meta offers multiple variations. Pick your favorite. The motion looks natural. The lighting feels cinematic. It is hard to believe this is free. Now let us test a tiny world look. Prompt: miniature diorama of a mountain village at sunrise, tilt shift depth, slow push-in, practical light bokeh, 24 FPS. Generate, and boom. It nails that miniature vibe with beautiful depth cues and smooth camera travel. One more for animation lovers. Prompt: Pixar-style 3D boy with oversized backpack, determined walk through sunlit forest path, dappled light, gentle camera sway. Generate. The expressiveness and color handling are impressive. Meta AI just gives you range. So those are your 4 free tools. The idiot's secret bonus. Now the promised secret, a method for building better prompts consistently. This trick levels up your results without guessing. We are going to use Qwen AI's Explore page as a style reference board and ChatGapt as a prompt refiner. Here is the loop. Open Qwen AI, click Explore. You will see a wall of videos made by other users. Scroll, watch. When a clip grabs you, note exactly what you like: the animation style, the lighting, the motion language, the color mood, the camera lens feel. Copy the prompt from that example. Now move to ChatGPT. Ask it to surgically rewrite the prompt for your subject while keeping the cinematic properties that made the example great. For instance, maybe you found a humanoid figure running at night, but you want a Bengal tiger instead. Here is a surgical instruction to feed ChatGPT. Rewrite the following prompt by replacing the humanoid figure with a Bengal tiger. Keep the lighting, camera movement, mood, and cinematic details. Emphasize realistic fur dynamics. And powerful stride. Make the language concise and production ready. Paste the original. Let ChatGPT output a refined version with the new subject locked in. Then take that refined prompt back to Meta AI or your preferred generator and run it. You will get a pro-looking clip that keeps the cinematic DNA of the reference but expresses your exact subject. Let us make it concrete. Original reference prompt mentions a humanoid runner, neon reflections, handheld tracking, rain streaks, 35mm lens, shallow depth. You tell ChatGPT to swap the subject and enhance the physicality. Expect an output like a Bengal tiger charging through a neon-lit alley in pouring rain, raindrops streak across frame, handheld tracking at 35 millimeters, shallow depth, reflective puddles on asphalt, first licked and rippling with motion, breath steam visible, moody urban color, clean, focused, cinematic. Paste this into Meta AI, click, generate. A few seconds later, you have multiple variations with exactly the energy you wanted. Rinse and repeat with any subject. A dancer, a vintage car, a paper airplane, a robot gardener. The method stays the same. Which AI or tool do you like better? Try them out and tell me in the comments.
Okay.
Personally, I love experimenting. Some tools are great, but others take forever and still look kinda meh. Give it a go, you'll find your own perfect weapon soon. Pro tips, director's shortcuts. A few quick pro tips to consistently improve your outputs, especially when you want to scale content without burning time. Tip 1. Control the lens. Use 35mm for intimate emotion. Use 50mm for balanced faces. Use 85mm for gentle background blur. For small rooms, go 24 to 28mm to keep the frame wide. This helps the model lock framing and depth behavior. Tip 2. Set. Motion language. Slow pan to introduce the scene. Dolly into highlight emotion. Slow orbit for a hero moment. Light handheld for everyday realism. Tip 3. Light with verbs. Soft key for clean skin. Thin rim to separate the subject. Use practical lights in the background for depth. Avoid perfectly flat lighting. Lighting words steer the mood faster than long paragraphs. Tip 4. Specify frame rate and cadence. Short and sweet. 24 frames per second for a cinematic look. 34 tutorials and crisp motion. Shutter around 1/48 to 1/64 natural blur. Tip 5. Anchor the emotion. Warm tones feel friendly. Cool tones feel tetchy. Teal and orange make subjects pop. Desaturated feels serious. Pick one mood and stay consistent. You will be surprised how often this shapes micro decisions in the result. 4-step mini factory. Now, let us chain everything into a fast workflow you can repeat daily. Step 1. Draft fast. Write one hook sentence and 3 core points. Keep each point under 90 seconds. Step 2. Build a DNA shot. Lock lens, lighting, motion, and mood. Then reuse this DNA. Step 3. Make smart variations. Swap only the subject or prop. Keep lens and mood the same for stable quality. Step 4. Assemble and polish. Cut with tight rhythm. Add subtitles. Add gentle music. Export vertical or horizontal for your channel. Copy, rewrite, generate, repeat. This is how you go from guessing to directing. Before we wrap, let me give you a short prompt pack you can copy right now. All prompts are in the Google Docs link below. Grab them, have fun, and make them yours. Quick recap. Tool 1, Grok AI. Generate images first. Animate your best pics. Tool 2, Slop Club. Cue multiple videos and get stylish motion quickly. Tool 3, Qwen AI. Simple, clean, no watermark. Perfect for fast content. Tool 4, Meta AI. Text to video, image to video, multiple variations, outstanding quality for free. Then the secret method. Use Qwen AI's Explore to find a style you love, copy the prompt, and have ChatGPT rewrite it for your subject while keeping the cinematic DNA. Paste into Meta or any of the tools you like and generate. If this was helpful, tell me in the comments what style you want me to cover next. Sci-fi city, fantasy forest, stop motion food. I can drop a full prompt pack and a one-click workflow. And hey, do not forget to subscribe to Smart Idiot so you never miss a tutorial that actually saves you time. You have the tools, you have the prompts. Now go make something beautiful and a little weird in the best way. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.